Today's Tesla solar roof install is unlike any we've done before. Can you spot what makes this one so special? So we have done Tesla solar roof installations on townhomes, but this one is special because it shares a roof with its neighbors. So in order for us to safely, properly install Tesla solar roof here in accordance with all local rules and regulations, we had to construct 2 parapet walls that separated this property from its neighbors. That way, we guaranteed a safe and secure installation and operation for everybody involved. Once the roof was properly installed, our crews were able to run conduit outside of the home down into the inverter to turn that wonderful solar energy into usable energy in the home. This one turned out beautifully, and the homeowner is so excited to start using solar energy in their day-to-day life. Would you put Tesla solar roof up on your townhouse? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.